Hey, welcome. This is Robert Foljam. I'm with Hometown Wine Club, and we're going to do an unboxing today. The unboxing is from last month's wine, and these were two whites. We'll find out what's in here in just a minute. We get one box every month with two different bottles of wine. There we go. This is going to be two whites. These, we're going to get a shipping so that we know what's in it. And Discover Direct Cellars, that's our wine club. And these two whites, we're going to have Amos Ridge, Verdeo, Castilla, Spain. And this one, has a honey and lemon. It's best between now and the end of 2020, so we've got some time on drinking this one. Let's see, what else do I see? It's a Sauvignon Blanc, and it's kind of an alternative between that and a Pinot Grigio. So take these out. And that would be the one from Spain. And the second one that we have is from Lazy Lab. It's a Chardonnay, Central Valley, California. More than likely, I think this is one of those that is proprietary to Direct Cellars. And for the Chardonnay, perfect pairing, this is going to go good with pumpkin ravioli and butter sauce. It is heavier on the refreshingly light. It is kind of sweet and smooth, but also full and fruity for that one. Chef Heather gonna have a great time with that one. We're gonna try I think this pumpkin ravioli sounds really good in butter sauce. This one from Spain, it pairs perfectly with lime chicken. I think that's going to be a great one we're going to look at here. Sweet and smooth. It is really going to be big in that area, sweet and smooth. Refreshingly light, bold and beautiful. It's kind of half in those, and then full and fruity. It's going to be full and fruity, but not a standout. So yeah, we're going to look at these and try these out and see how they do. Be watching. We are going to meet with Chef Heather on these, and we will talk with her. We'll do a wine tasting with her, and we'll check and see what she thinks about both of these pairings, see what options she provides as well. And then we'll have a meal from there, and we'll give you some more information. Look forward to seeing you again soon.